You got that from Mimi and Papa?
And I want the candy more.
Avery, can you say thank you, Mimi and Papa? Say thank you, Mimi and Papa.
Thank you, Mimi and Papa.
Say love you.
That was a card. The mail.
Yeah. You want me to read that to you?
I think it's something to say.
What is it?
Oh,
Barnes and Noble. That's awesome.
a real book.
Of what?
Where is my book?
Do you like it? Huh? What is that, Harrison? That's the book? Awesome. Who got that for you? What do you say to Mimi and Papa?
I don't know.
You know what you say when someone does something nice for you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Mimi and Papa.
Thank you, Mimi.
Avery, what'd you get?
And let's see if you got the same thing as me.
Pick it up and eat it. Pick it up and eat it. Mmm. Crazy. This guy right here, let's see. Hey Harrison, take a bite of that.
No.
That's what you get.